Let's talk about Dollar Tree X-Max decoration ideas, simple, affordable, and fun. Grab a few mason jars or small strings of fairy lights and some ribbon or burlap. Add pine cones, fake new snow, fake snow, or small ornaments inside the jar. Light them up. And voila, you have got an elegant glowing lantern perfect for your dining table or windowsill. Now, in this video, we will talk about Leather X Max Tree, Dollar Tree Wreaths, snowy candle holders, recycle ornaments. All these items remind us that beauty doesn't come from spending much more, but from creativity and love. Recycle ornaments. Use leftover ribbon, paper, or ornaments. String them together. It's a great family activity and adds a handmade touch to your living space. Cut small glasses or jars with glue, sprinkle them with Epsom salt or white glitter, and you have got beautiful snow candle holders. Place tea lights inside and watch your room glow softly. Use jute, burlap ribbon, and pine cones from your backyard. You can even use old fabric or X-Max ornaments from past years. Add a bow, a bit of glitter, or artificial berries for the perfect rustic look. Take an old wooden ladder, wrap it with garlands or tinsel, and hang small ornaments or bells from each step. Place a star at the top, and you have got a creative tree that costs almost nothing but looks stunning. Grab a few mason jars, a small string of fairy lights, and some ribbon or burlap. Add pine cones, fake snow, or small ornaments inside the jar. Light them up, and voila! You have got an elegant glowing lantern perfect for your dining table or windowsill. Now let's talk about benefits of X-Max. Decorating your space for X-Max isn't just about look. It has real mental and emotional benefits. Uplift your mood. The colors, lights, and festive feel trigger dopamine, the happiness hormone. Even a small tree or a glowing candle can instantly lift your mood. Crafting and decorating are mindful activities. Let you focus on something peaceful, calming your thoughts and releasing daily stress. Decorating together, whether with kids, friends, or parents, creates beautiful memories. It teaches spray, sharing, patience, and creativity. When we decorate, we pause to appreciate the little things, our home, our loved ones, and the joy of. The colors, light, and festive feel trigger dopamine, the happiness hormone. Even a small tree or a glowing candle can instantly lift your mood. Crafting and decorating are mindful activities that let you focus on something peaceful, calming thoughts, and releasing daily stress. Decorating together, whether with kids, friends, or parents, creates beautiful memories. It teaches sharing, patience, and creativity. When we decorate, we pause to appreciate the little things, our home, our loved ones, and the joy of giving. Crafting with Dollar Tree items encourages you to think creatively, finding beauty in simple materials and creating something magical from them. So, decorating for X is not just a tradition, it's a way to nurture happiness, togetherness, and mindfulness. Mindfulness means living in the present, and what better time to practice it than during X decorating? When you wrap ribbon around a wreath or tie a bow on a jar, you are slowing down, you are feeling textures, seeing colors, and breathing in the season. This process helps calm your mind. It allows you to escape overthinking, even if it's just for a few minutes. Crafting also builds confidence. When you create something with your own hands, you feel proud, relaxed, and connected, both to the movements and the people around you. Try crafting without rushing. Play some soft music, light a candle, and enjoy the experience, not just a result. That's the true gift of mindful decorating. Here are some quick and cheap projects you can make with Dollar Tree or recycle items. I can tell you the name. Jute and pinecone ornaments. Wrap jute twine around pine cones, tie a small ribbon and hang them on your tree. So next is burlap stocking. Recycle X-Mix centerpiece, holiday mason jars, a snow globe, and small figurines, fake snow and glitter inside a jar. Seal it, shake it, and watch your handmade snow globe sparkle. All these projects are affordable, eco-friendly, and full of love. Each decoration make or place has meaning. The light remind us of a hope and warmth. The wreath symbolize eternity and the circle of love. The tree stands tall, full of life even in winter, a symbol of faith and renewal. When you decorate you are not just making your home look pretty, you are creating a spiritual and emotional atmosphere filled with peace, gratitude, and light. So this Christmas, Xmas, let's create with heart, not just with money. Use what you have, recycle, reimagine, let your home shine.